Hey there, my name is Lucretia, the Lucrative. I finally decided to start my YouTube channel. I've actually wanted to have a YouTube channel for many years. However, I have sort of like being shy and inconsistent. One thing about YouTube or guidance that you hear from online sources and from big YouTubers is that you need to find your niche, you need to niche down, you need to hone down on it, and you need to run with it. You need to be consistent. And I just couldn't find it. I just couldn't niche down. I just couldn't because I'm so multidisciplined, multifaceted. I mean, I can sew, as you can see. I'm currently working on my fashion brand. I can write songs, I can sing. I used to be able to dance, however, I'm not sure if I'm such a good dancer anymore. But anyway, all South Africans can dance. So I suppose I can dance. If I really practice that Bacardi, I can. And I can create websites, apps, I can fix computers. I can literally open up a computer and a printer into pieces and fix them, change the RAMs and upgrade the RAMs and so forth. I I can do pretty much anything I put my mind to. So yeah, I couldn't niche down. So I decided to create a lifestyle channel. And so this lifestyle channel is simply me being me. I'm gonna be talking about things while I'm working. I'm gonna be talking about witchcraft, life challenges. I'm gonna talk about love. I'm gonna talk about sexuality. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I'm gonna be talking about spirituality. I'm gonna be talking about anything I feel like talking about while I'm working or while I'm doing something. And so if you wanna work along with me, come join me, watch me while I'm working and put your hustle over there. I'm gonna be sharing with you how I create my websites, my businesses, and I'll only reveal my final range or my final products when they're ready for stores. I won't reveal the products beforehand, for security, privacy reasons and stuff. So I hope you guys are gonna subscribe, like this video, comment, and please leave positive comments because obviously I'm starting up. So I'm gonna make mistakes. I mean, I'm gonna look crusty as well. I'm gonna sound bad and so forth. I'm gonna be legit jiggling too much or something, and I will improve with time. So please leave good comments because I'm a very sensitive soul. But as you get to know me, you'll see that I'm strong. I have a very soft exterior, but I'm tough somewhere, I'm just somehow. And so please leave good, positive, encouraging comments and let's get it done. Welcome to Lucretia the Lucrative. It's 2026 and it's time for all of us to be lucrative. And you guys will soon find out that I'm weird as F. I mean, I'm an Aquarius here, Aquarius baby over here. So clearly, I'm crazy and weird as F. Just take it as it is. Take it as it is and just love me, support me, and sign up, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my first official video. This is just an introduction video where I'm practicing and yeah, and while I'm working on my shwe shwe outfit that's gonna be cool and weird as F. So stick around to find out exactly what I'm creating. This is something you've never imagined. This is something you never thought a human being in South Africa or anywhere on earth would ever come up with, would ever think. But hey, I told you guys, Aquarius SF. So see you later. Thank you.